Hi guys, it's Bethany. I have an unboxing for you from a company that's new to me. I haven't tried them before. It is Wizardi. This is my washcloth I have over the top. The package came in a bubble envelope, and I took everything that was out inside and set it down without looking and covered it up so I wouldn't be tempted to look at it until I did this video. So let's get into it. Okay. This is not in English. This is a frame for a finished cross stitch piece. I also ordered a couple of cross stitches. We have a little pear. The place where I live at Medford, Oregon, the Rogue Valley, used to be known for their pear orchards. That's starting to die away a little bit, which is sad, but anyways, that's why I picked a pear. Lilac, sprig of lilac. I got this as a gift for somebody. I also got a cute little diamond painting charm. Isn't that adorable? I love it. Okay, so first off, the frame. Basically, when you finish the cross stitch, it'll look like this, and then you stick it in the frame. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and check out if there's more to it than just that. Okay, that's unique. I think it's just the frame, nothing whoa, sorry, nothing fancy. Yeah, okay. That'll be interesting to try to figure out without English. But basically, I think that the cloth goes, like, wraps around there. You stick that on. You know, you have your picture poking through there, and then you sew it together. Sew those two pieces together. Pretty sure that's how it works. I thought this was really neat. Frame outside of your typical, outside of the typical that you might see. There is a paper in here. I want to peek at it. Yeah, no English. It just shows the 3 different parts, and it probably tells you how to put it together. But yeah. All right, next is the pear cross stitch, and it comes with, I'm not going to open this one up because I'm going to leave this nice for the present, and the other one will have the same contents, just for its own thing. It has the floss, it has the Aida fabric, this one comes with 2 needles, and it looks like instructions. These instructions that I'm looking at are not in English, so fortunately I know how to cross stitch. Oh, here's one. This might be, yeah, this one's in English. There's one that's in English. Cool, cool. Then here's the pattern on the back. All right. It's nice that it comes with the threads already organized and everything. It's been a while since I've bought a cross stitch kit. For that matter, it's been a while since I've done a cross stitch, but even longer than that, it's been since I've gotten a kit. I've always just bought everything individually, so this is, sorry for bumping you again. So yeah, that's actually pretty nice. I like it. Okay, let's look at this cutie. Diamond painting plywood 5D kit. Wooden panels, bags of sparkles, adhesive layer, tools for completion, instruction guide, magnet, and a holder. Ooh. So So you can put it on a holder or in a magnet. That's pretty cool. Okay, okay. Comes in a nice little bag. Cute. Has instruction manual. I keep bumping this. I'm so sorry. It has an instruction manual. Charm turtle. Oh. That was separate. Okay. So it looks like a bunch of different languages, which is cool. All right. Dear friends, we developed clear and easy instructions to make sure you enjoy your creative process. Okay, and it has a how-to guide. It tells you how to do the project, which is nice if you don't know. Okay, that must be the magnet and the stand. Also the toolkit. This boat is a little bit different than I've seen before. Okay, wax pin boat magnet. So you can turn it into a magnet. I would be tempted to turn it into a cover minder actually. The stand, something like this, I think would be how it goes, and then you set it in there. String if you want to hang it. They give you all the options and all the supplies for the options. That's cool. All right, do not eat. Okay, no problem. Okay, oh, this is different. Okay, wood. Here is the turtle on the wood. Here is, I'm guessing this is like double-sided adhesive that you stick on. I think that's got to be what it is, right? I should look at the instructions, and I shouldn't mess with this too much because, yeah, I think that's how it goes. Okay, I gotta look real fast. You'll find an adhesive layer with protective film from both sides of each wooden component. Glue it down. Remove protective film from the bottom and glue it down. Based on the contour, make sure the surface is smooth. Remove protective film from the top. Yep. So you get to put that on yourself. And then here are the little diamonds that come with it. They are pre-bagged and ready to go. Cute little kit. It's been a while since I've done something this small as far as diamond painting goes, so this was a fun little purchase. You know, some of the things, like the frame doesn't really show you how to do it, but it's fairly simple to figure out, I think. And if you've cross-stitched or diamond painted before, these are not too difficult to figure out either, although they do come with instructions. So that's all I have for you guys. If you found anything in this video useful, give me a thumbs up on your way out, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye!